Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, we can connect our Google Tag Manager to our website. So our website are using a WordPress CMS. So where we can connect our Google Tag Manager to our WordPress system. So we can follow the very simple and the step-by-step process to you guys will understand, and you guys perfectly you can connect your Google Tag Manager to your website. Okay. So first thing, we can create an account on Google Tag Manager. So you can open the next tab and where you can type Google Tag Manager. You can open the first website, and this is a Tag Manager dashboard. So there we don't have any account, so we can create account. So simply you can click on the create account button. There you can add your company name. So account name is, suppose that this is my company, so Tirupati Book. So let me use a company name this, and the country is India, United Kingdom. So basically we hosted our service server in UK, so we can use a UK country. Okay, and there we can add our site URL. And our target platform is website, so we can select the website. Then after that you can click on the create button, and you can acknowledge the terms and condition, data privacy and the GDPR. After that you can click on the yes button. Okay, you can also select this to share your data with a Google. Okay, so let me use a default work space. So this is your dashboard. So you can, if you can click on this GTM, this section, you can found your GTM code. So this is your code you can paste in your website head section, and this is your code, second code you can paste in your website body section. Okay, so first thing, we can copy the first code, and you guys will open your website a backend dashboard, WordPress dashboard. You can navigate to the plugin section. There you can search one plugin. You can click on the add a new plugins. There you can search your plugin. Header footer code manager, so short form is HFCM. So this is the plugin. You can install this plugin. You can click on the activate, and you will see this is your plugin dashboard. So you can click on this, and you can click on the add new snippet. There you can choose, there you can type add the snippet name. So snippet name is GTM tag, GTM, and there you can, snippet type is HTML. Okay, display site wide, so we wanting to display our code all over site. And another is, and and the location where we can, where we wanting to put our code. So this is the option to, we wanting to put this code in the head section, so you can select header, and there we can put our paste our GTM code. After that you can click on the save button. So our changes are deployed now. So you can click on this, and you will see this is the code we pasted for the head section. After that we can copy the body code. You can do the same process again. You can click on the add new snippet. There you can type a GTM body. You can site wide HTML, perfect. Then now we can select the footer, paste this paste this code here, click on the save button. So we successfully put it our code. So now we can copy the URL, paste it URL here, and after that you can click on the paste button. Yeah, so successfully deployed, and after that you can click on the OK button. and you can click on the preview. Paste your website URL, click on the connect, and you will see our Google Tag Manager is successfully connected. Debugging information. So you will see Tag Assistant, and our Google Tag Manager is successfully integrated with our website. So this is a simple and the sweet process to you guys will follow, and you can easily connect a Google Tag Manager to your website. Once you guys will complete these things, after that you can okay, so this is a tag, so we can, yeah, after that once you guys will complete this process, to final step is to you can save your tag. So simply you can click on this, you can save your tag code. So you can click on the submit, you can publish your code. There you can skip these things, you can click on the continue, and successfully your tag is published now. So simple. So this is a simple process to you can connect your Google Tag Manager to your website. So if you guys okay, so overall this is the process for the connecting Google Tag Manager to our website through the WordPress. So overall this is the simple process. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section where you guys will access easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.